A major shift in the global economy. China has started selling US Treasury bonds and is buying gold in massive quantities. This move has sent shockwaves through the US and raised concerns worldwide. But why is China doing this? Will the US dollar weaken? And how will this change impact ordinary people? Watch this video till the end to find out. For years, China was the biggest lender to the US, holding more than $1.3 trillion in US Treasury bonds. But now, China is selling these bonds, and in large amounts. In 2023, China's holdings fell below $800 billion, the lowest in 14 years. In 2024, China sold another $100 billion worth of U.S. bonds. But the biggest question is, what is China doing with this money? The answer, buying gold. China's move is not just an ordinary business decision. It is a well-planned strategic action. There are several reasons behind it. 1. Reducing dependence on the U.S. dollar to dollarization. China no longer wants to rely on the dollar. The U.S. has imposed economic sanctions on countries like Russia and Iran, and China fears that it could be targeted in the future. 2. Protection from U.S. policies. The U.S. Federal Reserve has been increasing interest rates, which lowers the value of Treasury bonds. By selling these bonds now, China is protecting itself from potential financial losses. 3. Strengthening the Chinese yuan RMB. China wants its yuan to compete with the dollar in international trade. It has signed trade deals with Russia, Brazil, and Saudi Arabia to use yuan instead of dollars, reducing reliance on the U.S. currency. 4. Gold, the safest investment. Compared to the dollar, gold is a more stable and secure asset. The People's Bank of China, PBOC, has recently purchased gold at record levels. China now holds over 2,200 tons of gold, and this number is rising. Impact on the U.S. economy. China's decision could have significant consequences for the U.S. 1. Rising interest rates. If China and other countries stop buying U.S. bonds, the U.S. will have to offer higher interest rates to attract buyers. This will increase the U.S. government's debt burden. 2. Weakening of the U.S. dollar. As major countries reduce their dollar usage, its global influence will decline. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, are already working on a new trade currency. 3. Stock market volatility. If investors see the U.S. economy weakening, stock markets could experience major turbulence. This could push the U.S. economy toward a recession. What could happen in the coming years? China will continue increasing its gold reserves, and other nations may follow. The U.S. may need to make major changes to its economic policies. The role of the dollar in global trade could gradually decline, leading to the creation of a new currency system. Is this the beginning of the end for the U.S. dollar? Or will the U.S. find a way to recover from this crisis? China's move has shocked the entire world. Will the U.S. survive this challenge? Or will gold and the yuan become the world's new dominant currencies? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. If you found this information valuable, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates. Thank you.